उठ्यो नेपाली अब झण्डा उचाल्छ खुकुरी छ कम्मरमा मलाई के को पाल छ.
Are you enjoying the view in Dubai?
Yeah, spending last few days in Dubai because getting back to Nepal soon.
And the view is so beautiful from here, right?
Yeah, it looks so good.
Tell some physics.
Physics about? Physics about view? About cars?
Yeah, like anything. Maybe I can see a lot of streetlights.
Streetlights?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Face this side and then tell.
Streetlights. Which part of streetlights? Okay. Like you can see a lot of streetlights there.
Yeah.
Some are solar lamps, some are HID lamps. Okay. And you know solar lamps have LED lights, and we have already discussed about LED lights, right? So talking about HID lights, okay? The HID lamps, those which are single, you can see those single lamps.
Yeah.
Yeah. So HID lamps stand for high intensity discharge lamps, okay? And it produces HID lamps produce light due to the ionization process, ionization of gases. You know, those lamps that you can see, it has some inert gases like argon or other gases packed in those lights, and there are like two electrodes on two ends of the lamps, and due to ionization of the gases, photons are produced. So talking about it in details, I'd like to say step by step what happens in those lamps. Okay, there is a lamp. There are two electrodes at two ends. It is filled with some kind of inert gas, and when two electrodes are connected to positive and negative terminals, and some potential difference is applied, then what happens? There is arc discharge. Arc discharge means electricity tries to pass from one electrode to another through the gas, and during this process what happens is there is this collision between electrons and the gas atoms, and while the electrons hit those atoms, the electrons of those atoms get excited to higher energy state, and when it comes back to lower energy state, it produces high energy photons, and in that way lights are produced in those HID lamps. And talking about solar lamps, those lamps have LED lights, and yeah, that's what I can see when you talk about lamps. So in short, high intensity discharge lamps produce light due to the ionization of gases when potential difference is created between two electrodes. Okay? Are you clear about it?
Yeah, it sounds
Vivid?
kind of complex, but it's good.
Okay,
Yeah.
kind of complex. So
Yeah, it's a beautiful view
do you
down
love
there,
Dubai?
right? Yeah, I love it very much.
When are we coming back to Dubai?
I'm always in Dubai, man. Dubai is in my heart.
45 days, right? Maybe?
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't know?
उठ्यो नेपाली अब झण्डा उचाल्छ खुकुरी छ कम्मरमा